this year, we just started the full operation of our new spin-off company, the Asher Technologies. Our main product is the Asher ERI system, a 24/7 structural health monitoring platform. Who would have thought that the next succeeding months will be something that we have never imagined? Metro Manila and some parts of the country were placed on lockdown due to COVID-19. As a spin-off company trained to be agile in finding technological solutions, learning about the deaths of more and more Filipinos was hard to ignore. We needed to do something. We need to contribute something. Then, an opportunity to assist the Quezon City government came. With the passion to help, day and night, in just few days, we delivered the first locally made disinfection booth in the country, the Go Clean Disinfection Chamber. This is the reason why we immediately grabbed the opportunity that made the Go Clean Chamber. We produced the first versions of the single and the dual chamber that were even adopted by the Bacolod City government through our long-distance collaboration. Many government and private organizations became very interested with the chamber. These are the ways we saw and experienced disinfection before the Go Clean Chamber. Then, complaints from more and more individuals increased due to unstudied and improper use of various disinfection solutions. Because of this, our local authority came out with an advisory. Misting and spraying is not recommended. There is no enough evidence to support that spraying or misting would kill the new coronavirus. After this advisory, the support in making more Go Clean Chamber was significantly affected. Fortunately, with the science and technology-based approach and leadership of the USTP Shared, we were given the chance to conduct further studies to prove the effectiveness and safeness of the Go Clean Chamber. One of the key elements in our Go Clean Chamber is the disinfectant solution. While others use sodium hypochlorite or bleach that irritates our skin, the mucous membrane, and airways, Asher team, through recommendations, have initially chosen to use ethanol. In our further study, we finally settled with the use of hypochlorous acid-based disinfectant solution, which is potent in killing virus but safe for people and the environment. Hypochlorous acid is a naturally occurring chemical that is produced by our neutrophils, or white blood cells. This is to fight bacteria and inflammation after an infection or a trauma. Hypochlorous acid is one of the only agents that is both non-toxic to the delicate cells that can heal our wounds while being lethal to almost all known bacteria and viruses that threatens our health. New studies now are giving more and more proof on the effectiveness of this solution and the method of spraying, misting, and fogging. We were able to conduct actual and simulation tests of the chamber design to enable full body disinfection in seconds. With further study on the disinfectant solution, we have gathered enough evidence to prove effectiveness and safety. Through our end user survey, we were able to adopt further improvements. We have now the Go Clean version 2.0, a result of our further studies supported by the USTP Shared, a quality engineered product. Just recently, after many months since the pandemic started, WHO acknowledged something that will further call for the provision of the Go Clean Chamber. COVID-19 is airborne. COVID-19 can live on surfaces for hours and days. Fortunately, with the help of the DOSTP Shared, local government units, and private sectors, we have deployed Go Clean Chamber in at least 11 locations. There's more to our Go Clean version 2.0. A new add-on to the chamber is the Hoclomac device. The chamber will now have the ability to produce its own potent and safe disinfectant solution for its daily operation. To add to the Go Clean as One initiative of Asher is the Gizmo, an easy-to-use portable device for the disinfection of documents and bills. Like the DOST, we hope that the whole of government, while implementing measures for the country, will make decisions based on science and technology. This is a time for science and technology to flourish. This is a time for us to believe in our science, in our own Filipino-made technologies. Let's Go Clean as One. Together, let's usher a safer world through science and technology.